Our planet was not merely a rock adrift in space. It was an alchemist, a silent engineer, weaving a masterpiece of living technologies. For billions of years, life met every challenge and adapted. No governments, no blueprints, only nature, tirelessly experimenting, perfecting, and surviving. Without fanfare, without ambition, life learned to thrive. Every leaf, every feather, every ripple in a fish's scale, a page in an ancient manual of survival. Nature became the greatest engineer humanity never knew it had, and perhaps never truly deserved. Biomimicry is not imitation, it is a revelation. The realization that the answers we seek to problems of energy, health, architecture, technology already exist. Encoded not in silicon chips, but in the spiral of a snail shell, the lattice of a bird's bone, the shimmer of a dragonfly's wing. Our greatest innovations may not arise from inventing the new, but from remembering the ancient. In Harar, Zimbabwe, the heat is relentless. When faced with cooling their buildings, architects did not turn to air conditioners. They turned to termites. Within their towering mounds, termites crafted complex ventilation systems, regulating temperatures flawlessly without machines. Inspired by this genius, the Eastgate Center was born, a living, breathing building using 90% less energy than its peers. Proof that when we mimic life, we mimic resilience itself. In Japan, the Shinkansen bullet train raced faster than sound, but stumbled at every tunnel. Deafening sonic booms echoed through valleys. Engineers struggled until they looked to the kingfisher, a bird that dives into water without a splash. Its sleek beak inspired the train's new nose. Faster, quieter, more efficient. The secret of speed was not brute force, but nature's quiet wisdom. Even a simple lotus leaf holds a secret. Floating atop muddy waters, it remains pristine. Under the microscope, a hidden world of nanotextures, a microscopic shield against dirt and water. Scientists, humbled by a leaf, created self-cleaning surfaces, from skyscraper glass to fabrics immune to stains. Nature teaches us problems are not always defeated by strength, but by design. In operating rooms, surgeons found salvation not in high technology, but in the gecko. Its miraculous feet cling to ceilings and walls without glue. From this tiny creature, humanity crafted revolutionary surgical adhesives, waterproof, biocompatible, saving lives where stitches fail. In the gecko's step, a giant leap for medicine, and in our quest for clean energy, we found unlikely mentors in the deep oceans. Humpback whales with strangely bumpy fins move with unmatched grace and power. Mimicking these tubercles, engineers redesigned wind turbines, boosting efficiency by more than 20%, unlocking winds once thought too faint to harness. Once again, nature had already solved the problem. We simply had to listen. Tomorrow's cities may not rise like fortresses. They may grow like forests, buildings that heal their wounds like skin, structures that collect water like bromeliads, skyscrapers that photosynthesize, breathing with the planet. We could design civilizations that live within Earth's rhythms, not outside them, not above them. In the end, the greatest act of creation is not to conquer nature. It is to listen, to realize that every coral reef, every insect wing, every desert bloom is a message, a blueprint for survival, a blueprint for belonging. We are not apart from nature. We are not masters standing above it. We are nature, a ripple of consciousness in an ancient ocean of life. And perhaps the future will not be built by fighting against the earth, but by remembering who we truly are. The answers were never far away. They were all around us, whispering, waiting, dreaming through us.